What did it feel like?
It's rooting around while I
Here it is, mine go.
I'm only 10 years old.
It's like rooting, bro.
tree, and like that guy, just put a head going up.
Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, nice.
Connect up there.
I missed the first part. What was it that was feeling like that?
Rooting.
I mean, I got that part.
The beginning part was, just expand the light into the human form that we've borrowed while we're here.
Oh, yeah,
We're all souls.
I love how you're taking it balls deep. Bro, I just got here. I'm drinking my Coke. I like it. Keep going.
We're all souls, and we're just borrowing the body for a bit. And
Awesome. I love it.
So I was really just trying to expand that light and just trying to tap into that.
Fuck yeah.
That source.
That's the whole. Yes. Thank you. The whole idea. The way I like to approach this is spirit, mind, energy, but that direction. So if you that's really a paradigm shift, right? So if you're thinking in that direction, you're going to get that. You're going to get that extra level. You know what I mean? Anyway, fuck yeah.
It's good, mate. I'm feeling all light and tingly just hearing about it, So
Yeah.
that's why I ask you questions, because when you describe how it feels, you put the words in the air, that vibration goes to the ears, and it's like you get a bit of it, So thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's fucking awesome.
Spirit.
Yeah.
So let's think of that, right, as a paradigm. My paradigm is now spirit. Like, do you see what I'm trying to get at here? Like, if we come from the non-physical constantly, you're only going to get more and more insight into that. Because you're coming from that place, which was a Wing Chun realization for me, because my master was teaching it very physically, like Tai Gong, rise the spine, use this part of the brain, rotate the shoulder, relax the muscles. So because he was coming from a physical standpoint to teach the non-physical, so mind and chi, nothing lasted. Because it was coming from the wrong way. But as soon as I started approaching it from the mind down, or spirit down, things started lasting, and people could do it, people could be it, which is very exciting. But then you go further with that and think, okay, outside of the Wing Chun benefits, the more important benefits, right? So Team America. Fuck yeah. How about you? Did you share already?
Not yet, but I was just getting the vibe off that. That's really nice, so thank you, man. So you mentioned the sinking and the feeling with light. That's great vibes, man. Really cool. And I was finding the sensing going off today as well. Like like the space, and like space, space. So, yeah. Anyway, and that was like just being able to sense, like tangibly sense the space, and then sense the space, moving, like sinking, in direction, and that power plane and a bit of fucking whoosh, and so the sensing fucking gibberish, right? But it often happens, right? So yeah.
Makes sense.
Very
Sensing the space and sensing it moving from that level. Well, that's the thing. It's a similar. If you can look at the through line there, it's paradigm. You have to start thinking from that standpoint. Like you approach. I love that Tesla quote. Right? What does he say? If you wish to understand the secrets of the universe, start thinking in terms of frequency, energy, vibration. And that guy was pretty gangster, right? Yeah. So that's the same thing, right? You're just going, I'm sensing space.
Yeah.